We'll guide you through how to create Trello cards easily and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Once you're signed in, you'll see your boards on the homepage. Click on the board where you want to create a card. This will open up the board's main view with all the lists. Now, locate the list where you want to add a new card. You'll see an Add a Card option at the bottom of each list. Click on this to open a simple text box where you can enter the title of your card. Once you've typed in the title, hit the Add Card button and your new card will appear in the list. To add more details, click on the card itself. This will open a detailed view where you can add descriptions, set due dates, attach files, and even add labels for organization. You can also assign members to the card by clicking on the Members button and selecting from the list of team members. If you want to add checklists to break tasks down further, just go to the checklist option and start adding your items. Remember, you can drag and drop cards between lists as tasks progress. This flexibility makes Trello a powerful tool for managing your projects. Cards can be moved, copied, or even archived when they're no longer needed. And if you ever need to delete a card, just click on the card, then click Archive and follow up with Delete. It's that easy to keep everything organized and up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.